Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your straw page. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come on over to straw.page, sign into your account. Then from there, we want to go ahead and click on the edit button here under your site. So click on edit. Then you're going to be into the Straw Pages editor. Now this is where we can make changes. So to make changes on any elements inside of your page, just simply click onto it like so, or double click, and you can see here if I want to delete this, I can clone it, make another one, I can rotate, scale, and you've got all these options. And so if I want to go ahead and change the text here, I can go ahead and double click it, click on a new editor, highlight it, change the text, add in more text. So yeah, there's heaps of different ways how to edit text. From here, if I want to go ahead and add more elements in, I can click on the plus icon, then choose where I want to add in a new element. So I can add in a text button, add in some buttons, images, shapes, icons. I can add some embeds, add in this drawing Picasso anonymous box. We've got a ask me anything box we can add in. We can add in music, paint, library. You can also add in custom HTML, but to use custom HTML, you need to subscribe to their plan to add in your custom HTML. Now, once you've made changes to your site, we want to make sure to save them so you don't lose them. So click on the save button, then click on publish your site, and then that's going to save those changes.